Welcome to Spring LIB.
So, work is done when a force acts on the object that moves in the direction in which the force is acting. Therefore, the mathematical equation for work is dot product of force and displacement, or you can say multiplication of the component of force along the direction of the displacement times the displacement. So Fc means the component of force acting along the direction of displacement. Now when the car rolls on level ground, the direction of the gravitational force that's acting on the car is perpendicularly downward, is entirely vertically downward. However, the car moves in a forward direction. So let's say the car moves towards right here. So perpendicular to the direction of force. So this is the direction of force. That's the gravitational force, and this is the direction of displacement. And these two are perpendicular. Therefore, you can say that the dot product of these two vectors is going to be zero, or you can say that there is no component of the gravitational force acting along the direction of displacement because these two are orthogonal, and that's why the work done in that case is zero. However, when the car rolls downhill or uphill, so there is an inclined plane over here, and let's say this is the car. So gravitational force will be downward, mg. But over here, the direction of displacement is along the direction of the inclined plane of the uphill or downhill. So the direction of displacement will be like this or like this. But the important thing is now the displacement is not perpendicular to force. This is some acute angle, or if you want to consider this, this is going to be obtuse angle. So the displacement is not perpendicular to the acting force anymore. So we can resolve the force, the gravitational force, in the direction of displacement. And the way to do so will be, so let's say the angle of the hill make that the hill makes with the ground, flat ground, is theta. So the component of force in the direction of displacement will be equal to mg sine theta, and the component of force perpendicular to the displacement is going to be mg cos theta. Now this force gets balanced by the normal force on the car from the ground, and mg sine theta, the component of force that is parallel to the direction of displacement, is the one that does some work. So work done will now be equal to mg sine theta, that is the component of force, times displacement. And since theta is not uh, 0 degree anymore, so basically theta is the angle made by the plane of the car to the ground. Initially, since the car was on level ground, theta was 0, and therefore sine theta was 0, and hence work done came out to be 0. Over here, theta is not equal to 0, so this is going to be some non-zero value, and this means that work done by gravitational force is going to be non-zero. Thank you.